Thank you for calling Always Ready Repair. This is Danielle. How can I help you?
Yeah, hey, I was wondering, do you guys do mini split estimates?
Yes, we do. We actually install Mitsubishi Electric mini splits, and we also can provide a free estimate for that as well.
Yeah, I think the whole installation went very well. It was pretty complicated. We knew it would be when we asked for them to do it, but they did a really good job, got everything in place. They're cleaning everything up really nice, and we're really happy. Mitsubishi was the one that was recommended by Always Ready, and we trust them, and we're looking forward to it. The ratings have always sounded pretty good, so we're looking forward to it.